Hey guys, this is Mr. H. This is question number 31 on the June 2023 Regents exam. And they always have a question on factoring. And to be honest, factoring is not a difficult concept, especially when you have a graphing calculator. It's just that unfortunately, we didn't get to everything, and every year I always have to leave some topics out. And this is one of the topics that sometimes falls by the wayside. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the graphing calculator to answer this question. It's pretty simple. And also I'm going to, if you want to see more questions like this in practice, I'm going to have a playlist that has some other questions that will do factoring. Okay. At the end of this video, there will be a playlist that you can go watch if you want to learn how to factor. All right. So now, first thing you're going to do is you're going to make this into a function. So you're going to say f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 16x minus 18. Now, one of the things that you have to do is you have to check all the numbers to see if they have a greatest common factor. And if you don't remember what factors are just numbers that you can multiply to get another number. So if you look at these, I'm going to do 16 and 18. So there's a button or there's a key on the calculator that will help you factor. So I'm going to show you that. So let me get rid of this. It's going to be menu 15, get rid of this. So from now, if you go menu and then number, and then down here to option 5, greatest common divisor. If you put in two numbers, you just have to put a comma in between the two numbers. And what it's going to do is it's going to find the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor between 16 and 18 is 2. So now if I go over here and look, that means that each one of these terms has a factor of 2. So the greatest common factor is 2, which basically means I can pull a 2. I can factor out a 2 for this. So what you're going to do, I've got that GCF is equal to 2. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the graph. Let me get rid of this, menu 14, and then I'm going to do menu 45 to make it back to the original window. And now I'm going to enter the function. It's a quadratic, so it's going to be, and it's a smiling quadratic, x squared plus 16x minus 18. Put that in there. And boom, there is our quadratic. Now, all you need when you're factoring are zeros. So there's 2 zeros, so menu 61. It gives us the left 0 is -9. And then I'm going to do menu 61 again, and I'm going to get the right one. So it's this one. So I got a -9 0, I got 1 0. So what you're going to do from there is you're going to take those 2 zeros, x equals a -9, and x equals, what was it? -9 and 1. So x equals 1. So now all you're going to do is set those two equations equal to 0. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to add 9 to both sides. So this is going to be x plus 9 equals 0. And then for this one, you're going to subtract 1 from both sides. And this is going to be x minus 1 equals 0. So you just, whatever's on the right-hand side, you just flip the sign. So now these are the two factors. So it's going to be x plus 9 times x minus 1. And then the only thing you need to do is if it has a GCF, put it out front. That is the factored form for this trinomial. All right, that's it. That's how you do it. You make it into a function, you find the GCF, and then you find the zeros and flip the signs to make factors, and then you're done. All right. Again, at the end of this video, there's going to be a playlist. If you want to go see more examples like this, go watch them because this is not a difficult topic. All right, stop it, and I'm going to post it.